we will learn about how to make igloo. First, we are using wall putty cement and we are going to mix some glue with it. So we are again going to make a dough. Okay, with the help of this glue, water and the wall putty cement, we are going to make a dough. So we are showing here how to make a wall putty dough. It would be useful for many crafting activities. So here you learn how to make wall putty. So you just need to knead it. So now see this, after kneading, how it has come just as your wheat atta. So you need to blow a balloon. Okay, keep a balloon ready, and with the help of this wall putty you will see that how nicely we are going to get a shape of an igloo. You don't have to do much of effort. You don't have to give much of effort to make this wall putty dough, and you can use a rolling pin which is there at home. Okay, and you just use it and knead it. So you can use a rolling pin or any long stretch brushes. So after you roll it like a chapati, you can use it and apply it on the top of the balloon. So slowly using water, you have to spread it out on the top of the balloon and make sure you get your desired shape. So it can be done very easily, and just keep in mind that when you are doing this on the balloon may lose its balance. So you when you're leaving it for the drying purpose, you have to leave it very carefully so that the balloon doesn't it doesn't burst. So we should be very careful about maintaining its shape. Okay, so now see how we have applied it all over the balloon, and slowly we are going to make the shape even from between. Just make sure that this overlayer of this wall putty is thick, so that when the balloon dries out, it should come out with a nice shape. So you need to be very careful while giving the finishing. Now if you can see that I am giving finishing touches to give it a very smooth look for the igloo. And I was making this for my son's project, so it came to my mind that why not to do a shooting and share with you all how can you make a igloo with the help of this balloon. And once you once it is done, I would advise you to keep it somewhere where it is kept in a straight manner, not upside down. Okay, otherwise this will be broken. So later on I was trying to draw, it did not come. So this is the final output. Thank you.